Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Esra. Today I'm going to share my Dollar Tree haul with you. It feels like it has been forever that I sit down here and talk to you guys on the camera like this. I didn't do a haul for a very long time. If you guys hear kids screaming throughout my video, it's because the kids are playing in the pool and I'm very close to the pool, and I apologize for that. I can't do anything, but I have to record my video today. So let's get into my haul. I found a lot of new cosmetics items in Dollar Tree. It's very surprising, and let me start with them because I'm very excited about what I found. Some of the items, I know the for example LA Colors are already in the Dollar Trees, but some of the brands like Max Factor, I have never seen a Max Factor in Dollar Tree before. So let me start with this item here. In the packaging over here, it really doesn't say it is Max Factor. I'm looking at the back and I don't see. That's strange, but inside the packaging over here it says Max Factor. So I got this pink color. I'm trying to see the color name, but it's number 3. It doesn't have a color name, so I picked this one up. And I also grabbed another color, same item. It's called Max Factor Lifinity Lasting Lip Tint, and it's number 8. It's like nude brown color. And I'm going to do actual swatches and reviews in a different video, guys, because if I do it right now, it's gonna take very long time. I'm moving on. And I got this LA Colors Sugar Lip Scrub. Here it is. So I don't know how good this is, but like I said, I'm gonna do a review video later on. I'm gonna share it over there. And I grabbed another LA color. I only saw one color, but let me know if you guys could find another color from LA Colors. This is called Lip Duo Gloss Lipstick, and it has a lipstick and a lip gloss just all together, and the color is called Twinkle. I didn't use any LA Color lip products before, so it's good. I'm gonna try. And I had to grab this e.l.f. Aqua Beauty Molten Liquid Eyeshadow in Rose Gold color. I really like using eyeshadows like this in summertime, or if I'm in a hurry. It's very quick if you're in a hurry, these kind of things, but let's see how they will do. And I also grabbed e.l.f. eyeliner pen, waterproof eyeliner pen. I used e.l.f. eyeliners before, but I didn't use as a pen, so I wonder this one how well it will do. And the color says Midnight. I don't know if it's supposed to be black or blue. Again, from LA Colors, I grabbed this liquid shimmer highlighter. It's little bit bronze and little bit shimmery color. And yeah, this color, it looks really beautiful in the tube, but we're gonna see how well it will do on the face. You know, I'm not a makeup channel, but you know, you see me that I'm using little bit makeup, little to medium makeup on my videos. I like playing with makeup, I like using makeup, I like putting on makeup, so if I can find them for $1, that's a good deal for me. And I grabbed this Diva Lash Color Mascara from Sinful Colors. There were other colors, like I saw blue, I saw green, and I saw like maybe brown. I'm not sure. There were like 4 colors, I believe, in my Dollar Tree at least. Maybe they have more. I never used Sinful Colors before. Do you guys know a website called cherryculture.com? I used to shop there like many years ago, and they were actually selling this brand, but I never got my hands on them. So this mascara, I'm very picky about my mascara. Not every mascara works for me. I use Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I used Benefit, what was the mascara called? Bad Gal, something like that. It didn't work. And right now I'm using Right now my go-to mascara is from It Cosmetics, and I grabbed this LA Colors Nail Zone 12-piece artificial nail tips. I grabbed these colors from them, and they had like 4 more kinds over there. I have very small nails, so I wonder how it will work for me, because if it's large I cannot put them on. And it's in short length, and this is called Oh La La. That's what it says over here. Oh La La. Okay, let's move on. Okay, I think I didn't grab any more makeup, but we're gonna see. But I also grabbed this beautiful cute mirror from Dollar Tree. It's from Basic Solutions. Okay, this is the design on it. It's blue, and I saw it in other colors too, like black and green. Yeah, there were a few more colors in the store, but I really like the blue one. And I also grabbed more fishing net decor from Dollar Tree. These ones, they also had the green color, but I grabbed these ones. I actually grabbed one more, and I used it in my beach decor DIY video, and I put the link in the description box below if you wonder how I use these. And I grabbed these more because I thought that, hey, maybe for Halloween I can use this as a spider web, or I don't know, it's just an idea. I don't know how it would work. Let's move on. And I found this very colorful fish. It's just very colorful. I don't know, I just couldn't leave it behind. And I grabbed this shell. It has a lot of glitters going on in these, but it's fine. I don't know, I will either use it for my DIY, or I will either hang it on my patio. And I also grabbed this wall decor, and it has a mermaid on it. My camera is acting a little weird. Okay, I guess you can see it now. And this mermaid girl over here is actually on top of it. You can just easily remove it, or you can just use it like this because it's really cute. It's really nice. It's really muted pastel tone of green here, so if you guys like pastel tones, it's really nice decor. And what else did I grab? Okay, I also grabbed this dolphin, right, decor. Oh my god, it's so cute. It has glitter all over again, but hey, if you're gonna use it outside, it's totally fine. And I also grabbed this decor again. I will either use it like this, or maybe I will turn into something else, but I really like the colors over here. You know, it's more like muted colors going on. It's not like so vibrant. Oops, it looks like I lied because I found more makeup things on my shopping bag. I grabbed this e.l.f. Intense Ink Eyeliner Black Navy. I grabbed this thing too. So I grabbed also this e.l.f. Matte to Metal Eye Primer Transformer Twinkle Top. That's the color name. That's very interesting thing. It looks like it turns something matte into metal. Eye primer. I'm really curious about this one. Okay, I also found some planner stickers. Oh my god, these are so cute. Look at these. This one over here. And this one has unicorn, and it says, let's be unicorn, happiness, love, love. Okay, that's the thing. Let me show you inside. It's very colorful. Oh my god, so nice. Notice the planner stickers are actually very expensive. So, and Dollar Tree, look at like how many pages I'm turning, and it's just so cute. Like how many pages? Okay, let's see. Okay, this one has 297 pieces inside. That's awesome. And there's another one here, and this one has 323 pieces, stickers right over here. It says get organized, special day, and many more. Let me show you a few of them. Okay, this one, wow, very shiny. Ooh, what does it say? Good times, today was awesome, right on the corner. That is very nice. Okay, it looks like I find another cosmetic thing in my bag. Sorry, I should have shown in the first part, but okay, I grabbed this Diva Lash from Sinful Colors again, and this one is in black. I was like, I felt like I remember putting it in my cart, but it didn't come in my bag. In the first one I was like, okay, then maybe I forgot to grab, you know, but it looks like I didn't. So I grabbed this too, and I will do a review on those like I said before, but not in this video. So let's move on. And I grabbed these self-adhesive hooks. These are not new to, you know, these are Dollar Tree brand adhesive hooks. And I realized something though. I saw just next to each other in Dollar Tree, and same thing, and you know, it holds up to 1 pound, and the other package over there had 9 of them instead of 12. It looks like Dollar Tree started to reduce the numbers, you know, the quantities of their items a little bit, because I had to grab 2 of these because I use them for small things, you know, for small decor that I'm not worried about if they fall. I'm not gonna be worried about if they're gonna be broken or not. So I grabbed these 2, and the other package actually had 9 pieces inside, so I grabbed these. And what else did I grab? Oh, I need to show these. These are, I don't know, I really like these ones. 2-piece terry dishcloth in this pattern, black one, and also the brown. It's blue. Okay. It's blue, and this brand is called the Home Store. It's 100% cotton, and it's made in India. Okay, so in Dollar Tree, in towels or whatever, it's not easy to find 100% cotton. So I had to grab these 2. So 2 here, 2 here. It's good deal. Do you guys know the scrub buddies, 2-in-1 quick razor? And they are comparable to this original Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. Let me show this one. I also grabbed, actually 2 of them. I grabbed this one. I didn't use the original brand before, but I used this one, but I wondered the difference, if this one does any better than this one. And this package includes 2, by the way, and this one just has only 1 inside. And this is the last thing that I'm going to show, is this floral foam. I actually recently turned this into a life ring in my beach decor DIY video again, and I will put the link in the box, in the description box. So that was fun thing to do. So I grabbed another one because I don't have any floral foam left. You know, when you need in these kind of things, you cannot find them. So I just grabbed it in case for my future DIYs. So guys, that's it for my video today, and if you like this video, please do not forget to give thumbs up. And I'm going to do reviews and swatches of the cosmetics that I picked from Dollar Tree in a different video. And if you don't want to miss that video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Take care, bye.